Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, everyone. So today we're going to continue on tutorial 9, which is exploring Vlookup. So we're going to cover about Vlookup on Vlookup for approximate matches, true value keywords as the last parameter, and Vlookup for exact matches, fast keyword as the last parameter, and the last one is two-way lookup. So, for the first one, we're gonna go to know what is VLOOKUP. So, VLOOKUP function is one of the most popular function in Microsoft Excel. And VLOOKUP is an Excel function to look up and retrieve data from a specific column in a table. And the V stand for vertical. Okay, so VLOOKUP supports two thing, which is approximate matching, and also exact matching. Okay, so the syntax is VLOOKUP in the bracket of value, table, column index, and the range of lookup. So the argument here, we have four here, which is lookup value, table array, column index number, and also range lookup. So the first one, lookup value, is the value to look for in the first column of the table, and the table array is the table of text, numbers, or logical value in which data is retrieved. And the third one is a column index number, which is the column number in the table array from which the matching value should be written. And the first column of the values in the table is column 1. So the range lookup is the logical value to find the closest match, which is optional true equal to approximate match default, and false equal to exact match. So this is the function argument. You can find it here. So this is where you select all the lookup value, data table, column number, and range of lookup. So you can use look here, look for the value. Okay, and return value at the same row from column you specify. By default, the table must be sorted in an ascending order. So bila you tekan ni, dia akan keluarkanlah lookup value is in the first column of the table and can be a value, a reference, or a text string. Okay, first of all, we're gonna try on the approximate match. Okay, so this is the tutorial. So first of all, you need to enter the quantity. So I put here 2341. So by the value entered, it will show on what discount that the user will get based on the quantity entered. So we're gonna apply it in this column. Okay, we're gonna insert it in the column I2. So first of all, you select the column first, and then go to insert function. Okay, and then select lookup function and double click, and then you can just enter the value. So the lookup value should be the discount, so I2. Sorry. So you should enter the lookup value, which is I1, and then the table array you should select from table E to table F, E1 until F6. Okay, and then column index, as we have two column here, so we just put 2. And the logical function range lookup is logical function, either is true or false. So for now, we're gonna search for the approximate match. So we're gonna we're gonna type on true. So true, and make sure to select. So there it is. So based on this quantity entered, so the customer will get 9% discount. Okay, now we're gonna go on the next part, which is we're gonna apply the exact match. So in this exact match, we want to find the employee salary based on the employee code. So first of all, you have to select this one, and then same as before, insert function and select for lookup. And at this part, you have to select the H2 column, because we want to get the employee salary based on the employee code. So table array is from the table the employee code from the until the employee salary, which is from this part until E25. So B2 until E25, and column index is the column index is 4, because we have this 4 column here, 1 2 3 4, because we select the 4 columns, so we put 4 here. And the range lookup is false, because we wanna get the exact match. Okay, so we're gonna type false, so click on enter. So why we get this error? Because first of all, you need to type the employee code. So for now, you just type any code, employee code that you wanna get the employee salary. So I will enter for example PTE. So PTE, so click on enter. So you get the exact employee salary here. So where you can find is the employee code PTE, which is employee salary is 2,600. So that is how you want to find the exact match by using this formula and applying the false at the end of the by applying false keyword as the last parameter. Okay, so that is how you can find the exact match. Okay, now we're gonna continue on the two-way lookup. So what is two-way lookup? Okay, this is an example to teach you how to look up in a two-dimensional range a formula with a VLOOKUP and match. So we apply a formula of VLOOKUP and also match. Work correctly, even changes are made to the column. Okay, so in this example, a formula is used to dynamically look up both rows and columns with lookups. Okay, we can change either column one or zone, and the lookup formula fetch the correct quantity. Okay, to make this two-way lookup formula, you need to make the column dynamic as well. So when the user change the zone, the formula automatically picks the correct command. Okay, we use the match function as the column argument, column index number, and for this we need to combine match function with VLOOKUP. Normal VLOOKUP only able to return value by looking into a single column at a time, but by using match we can look into two columns at a time. So this reason the column index argument of VLOOKUP is a static value, but if you combine match function with the VLOOKUP, you can make it dynamic. Okay, in the end of your spreadsheet will look like this. Okay, so it will select if you type this September and best, you will get the quantity selected based on, I mean that you put the month and the zone, and then you will select the uh, quantity here. Okay, so it will based on the two column lah. Okay, so this is the formula, so we're gonna apply it now in our Excel. So first of all, you type your month, so September and west. Okay, and then we're gonna apply it the formula in here. So we're gonna type the formula. So we're gonna click on the function insert. So and click on Vlookup. So at this part we're gonna select the B1. So B1 is this one. Okay, and then we're gonna select, and then the table array is A5 until 17. Okay, and then we're gonna type here match, and we're gonna select B2. Okay, and then uh, comma here and select 5 A5, sorry, A5 until E5. Okay, I mean the month, and then we'll put the comma again and 0. So range of lookup is 0 because it's false. Okay, 0 is false. So just gonna click, wait, you have to close the bracket. Okay, don't forget to close the bracket and click on OK. So it will directly show you the quantity. So that is how it can filter the data based on the month and the zone by using two-way lookup, using VLOOKUP and also match parameter. I mean match function. Okay, that's all. Thank you.